Yeah, my corn is fine now. You see, now birds, they are eating too much. So taking some. Ha! It's like in the forest. I can enter there now. Yeah, it's too much. This is the other side of the corn. This is the other side. You see, here I got some sweet potatoes inside the corn. You know, the rain was the problem. It did not rain almost for 1 month plus. It did not rain for 1 month plus, but now it's rain again, so it's fine. It's good. You see, this is the other side. This is the other side of farm. So there. Wow. Wow. Now we are starting to eat corn. We are eating